Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I create super simple labels using my brand new Cricut Joy, and I'm going to be organizing my laundry room today using things from the Container Store. So thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Let's get started. Alright, I don't know if you guys already know about this, but Cricut is now selling in the Container Store, and you guys know how much I love to organize. So Cricut plus the Container Store put together, it's like a match made in heaven. So I'm going to tell you guys all about the new Cricut Joy starter kit that you get exclusively sold at the Container Store. We're going to unbox it together. I'm going to show you guys everything you get in this little kit, and then we're going to start our project. So if you're not familiar with Cricut, Cricut is a smart cutting machine that allows you to create and personalize products with hundreds of materials. So it works with a software called Design Space. It comes free with your machine, and this is where you can go and create your project and browse from hundreds of images and fonts. So once you're finished with your design in Design Space will send it to your machine and it'll be ready to cut. Alright guys, let's talk about what you're going to get in this kit. So obviously you're going to get the Cricut Joy machine. Along with that, you're going to get a 3-piece starter tool set, a standard grip mat. You're going to get 1 roll of black vinyl, 1 roll of white writable vinyl, which I am obsessed with, 1 roll of transfer tape, some sticker cardstock, and a 3-pack of fine point pins. Take a good look at what my laundry room cabinets look like, because they're not going to be like this for long. We are going to be organizing all of this in today's video using my brand new Cricut Joy machine and products from the Container Store. So you can already kind of see what my color scheme is going to be. I do have white cabinets, so I didn't want a lot of white things in there. I found these 2 black bins that are stackable. These are perfect for things with one color, like your dryer sheets and dryer balls. Then I found these darker wicker baskets that open on the top, perfect for my steamer. Some bin clip label things to go on the side of my bins, and then a few different sizes of these glass jars with the black top. So I have this closet in my laundry room, and I keep the majority of my cleaning supplies in here and my cleaning tools in here, and I plan on taking all of my candles out of my cabinet and putting it into this closet. You definitely don't have to be crafty to own a Cricut, but if you are, the possibilities are literally endless. So as you can see, I'm going into my Design Space. I'm typing out what I want my labels to say. I'm gonna choose the font that I like and size it to the size that I need for my labels, and then I'm gonna send it over to my Cricut. So there's already a ton of pre-made label options for you to choose from, so you don't have to really create anything from scratch if you don't want to. So I just went ahead and chose the label design that I liked. So I want my labels to be white, and I'm gonna be using my writable vinyl, so I'm gonna put my pen into my Cricut. So it's gonna look like somebody with really good handwriting made these labels. I don't wanna wait no more. Ooh, when you put your arms around me. now that my labels are perfectly written out, I'm gonna take out my pen and put my blade in so that it can cut it out perfectly. What I love most about these labels is that I can easily take them off if I want to switch up the products inside of the glass jars. Maybe I want to use them in my pantry one day, maybe the kids' arts and crafts. I can easily just take off the sticker and make new ones.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning.
This is where I'm going to use my bin clips. These are super heavy duty. I use my writable vinyl to create some more labels, and I just stuck the label directly onto the bin clip since it is pretty easy to remove. And in case you're wondering, the bin clips also come in silver. So as you can see, I used one bin for my steamer and all the attachments to that steamer, and the other one I'm using for my cleaning cloths, but these cleaning cloths are used for anything other than my kitchen countertops and my table. So I mainly use these for wiping down my washer and dryer, spot cleaning shoes, or cleaning up any other little spills around the house. And since they're not all the same color, I put them in this bin so that when I put them in the cabinet, everything looks nice and organized. So I definitely like to organize the way I think. So anything that I don't use on a day-to-day basis goes up high, and everything that I use daily goes low. So it needs to be easily accessible. I don't need to be doing extra to try to get anything out. So everything over my washing machine is all of my washing machine products. Everything over my dryer is all of my dryer products. It just makes more sense to me. I'm also using a lot of things that I already had in my home, like these black mesh containers. I'm putting those at the very top, but I'm not going to label them just yet. Next, I'm going to be decanting my bleach, my laundry sanitizer, and my vinegar into these carafes. I will have everything linked down below for you guys in case you guys are interested. Alright guys, so just a really quick reminder of what my cabinets look like. Like I said, it wasn't terrible, but I know I can do a lot better. So here's what it looks like before, and here it is after. I did rehome all of my candles, so that freed up a lot of space, but I love how everything turned out. It's simple, but still looks really good, and I'm so happy with it. Thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one.